whether the government is implementing Bharatmala Pariyojana to contract road and border coastal areas and religious and tourist places in country. If so, the details and the present status thereof, the detail of the road constructed across the country under the Pariyojana till date, the fund provided for the purpose till date, and the detail of projects being implemented, completed and purposed under the Pariyojana in the country, state, UT wise.
Constructed in Bharatmala is 30,000 kilometer. Length awarded up till now is 13,521 kilometer. Length completed 4,070 kilometer. DPR is in pipeline 16,500 kilometer. Bids invited 4,800 kilometer. And total expenditure till date is rupees more than 1 lakh crore. In Bharatmala, we are already planning for making of 22 greenfield corridors with a total length of 7,600 km. It includes 5 express highway and 17 access control corridors. The total cost is 3.30 lakh crore and 2,800 km have been awarded out of 7,600 km. About the Delhi-Mumbai Express Highway, is one of the important express highway in the country. It is the highest length in the country now. The total length of this highway is 1,350 km. The cost is approximately up to 1 lakh crore and 1,86,000 km worth rupees 67,000 crore contracts have been awarded. Sir, it's a pleasure and pride for me that NHAI in this Delhi-Mumbai Express Highway have already make an international record, world record. In a one day, 12,500 cubic meter of concrete was laid down on a stretch of 2.54 kilometer of 4-lane length on the Delhi-Mumbai corridor on 2nd February. This is to be a world record achieved in this construction period. In the week of 8 to 15 January 21, record highway construction of 534 km was achieved. January end average was 28.5 km per day. Honorable Speaker Mahoday, it is a pleasure and pride for me. The latest data in the 8 January to 15 January in this week, 534 km road already was constructed, and the total average was coming to 28.5 km. But today, the information which I received, our construction record comes to 29.6 km, means 30 kilometers per day. And totally up till now, 9,127 kilometers has already been constructed. And this is the first time, the highest record achieved by NHAI in the history of the country. Sir, this is very important project, the Bharatmala, which is going to change the face of our country. And our dream of Prime Minister to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat and making the Indian economy of $5 trillion and creating infrastructure of 111 lakh crore, 100% within 5 years. Total road infrastructure of the country will be equivalent like USA or even European countries, and we will achieve that goal. That is a great achievement of our government.